Are you tired of manually searching through job boards every day? Trust me, this is so time consuming. But imagine having ChatGPT do that work for you, having ChatGPT send you job listings every single day at a particular time straight to your inbox and as a push notification. Well, stick to the end of this video because I'll be showing you how to set up a scheduled task in ChatGPT that automates your job search. Now, this feature is available to only ChatGPT paid users at the time of this recording. So first, how do you access the task scheduler feature? Well, based on your prompt, ChatGPT is smart enough to figure out which tasks are for a future purpose and need to run at a schedule. To create a scheduled task that sends you job alerts, use this prompt. Send me job alerts for whatever role or whatever job. In this case, I'm saying for front-end engineering jobs every day at 4 p.m. My email address is this, so put in your email address. Now, this single prompt tells ChatGPT what you want and when you want it, as well as where to send it. So let's hit send and see what this gives us. So ChatGPT is thinking, give it some time to think, and in case you're wondering, I'm using the model ChatGPT 5. Clarifying the task requirement so it knows that this is a task. And then it asks me to connect my email address. So I want to connect my email address to ChatGPT. I'm going to hit continue to Gmail and then select whatever email account you want to connect to ChatGPT. Awesome. So ChatGPT has created a job alert task. Now you may ask, how does ChatGPT know that this should be a task and not a normal chat? Well, ChatGPT is smart enough to tell the intent, and from the prompt, the intent is job alerts. And in terms of the context or the topics that you should look out for, it wants to send job alerts that are related to front-end engineering jobs. And in terms of the schedule, you said that you want the schedule to run every day at 4 p.m. The delivery channel is the email and also as a push notification if you have ChatGPT on your phone. You notice this card, right? Whenever ChatGPT sets up a new task, it gives you a task card. So you notice that this is a task card that it has given us. So when we click this task card, we see that there are different options. We see the name of the scheduled task and we see the instructions. We can always tweak these instructions and you can tweak how often you want this task to run. For this time, it's a daily task. And let's say you want this task to actually run 5 p.m. and not 4 p.m. You can change it to that and then you hit save. If, for example, you get a job and you no longer need this scheduled task to run every day, you can pause it or delete it. But for now, let's hit save. To make sure you actually receive the daily job alerts, go to your profile picture and go to settings. And from here, you go to notifications. So here for tasks, you can toggle on push notifications or email notifications. If you primarily want emails and prefer not to get push notifications, you can always adjust the settings anytime. So that's it. You've just set up your automated job search. So how does it work? Every day by 4 p.m., ChatGPT will automatically run this task. It will gather a list of front-end engineering jobs and generate a report of those jobs. It will send it to you to your email or send it to you as push notifications like I have right here. I've set up this job alert scheduler and in my email, this is my inbox. You notice that ChatGPT, which is OpenAI, has sent me these job alerts. So I can click on view message and we see all the jobs that it has sent me. It has sent me 10 jobs for front-end engineering roles in the UK. And when I click apply here, I can instantly start applying for this job. This saves me so much time. And the good part about this schedule task feature in ChatGPT is that it's not just for job alerts, right? You can use this for different other scenarios like reminders, daily briefings, and more. That's the power of this automation. You can instantly transform ChatGPT from just being a chatbot to being a helpful, assistant that can help you automate simple tasks. So I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, don't forget to hit the like, subscribe to my channel, and let me know in the comments. I didn't be trying out this feature in ChatGPT. I'll see you in the next one.